These are the resources you will need to install Windows 11. We will start with obtaining Windows 11 ISO file. That is the most time-consuming part. It took me whole day on my 10 years old machine. Go to this website. I'll have a link in description for you. Click Downloads, and then click second link from the top. Now choose language. Then you have to choose the Windows edition. My choice is Windows Pro. On the last page, don't change anything, just click Create Download Package. You will receive a zip file. Extract it. It's going to look like this. Double-click the last file. This will download Windows 11 files. This is going to take a long time, and if you are not prepared to stick by it, don't do this. It is probably going to make some errors, that is why you have to run this file a few times. After that you will click on this file. This will compile downloaded files into Windows 11 ISO. This operation is going to take some time as well, so be prepared. Once it's done, you will see that you now have Windows 11 ISO file, and it will probably be named something like this and not Windows 11, so don't worry. I have copied Windows 11 ISO to my desktop. Next, I'm going to extract it in order to be able to edit it. I will use 7-zip file. You can use WinRAR. Now enter your Windows 10 bootable USB if you have it. If not, search online how to create one and come back. Copy all file from Windows 10 bootable USB to desktop in separate folder. Click on it and go to Sources and then look for install.vim or in my case I have 2 of those files and they are called install.swm. Delete them. Don't close the window. Now go to the folder where you extracted earlier Windows 11 ISO with 7-zip. Go to Sources and look for the same install.vim file. Copy it. Then paste it to the Windows 10 install folder in place of the ones we deleted a minute ago. Now we will use impburn to make ISO from combined Windows 10 and Windows 11 folder. Follow my steps. Now we can make bootable USB for Windows 11 with Rufus. First connect empty USB flash drive at least 8 GB size. Then open Rufus and look for ISO file we just made. This will copy the content of ISO file to USB and make it bootable. Now we are ready to install. Hope this works for you, because it did for me. These are specs of my computer.